Hello guys, how you doing? It's Rob from On the Shires Buses. Hope you are all keeping well today, wherever you are. And we are doing ourselves a little Mobi info edit tutorial today. This program was developed by MobiTech AB, I do believe, and sort of like the McKenna Brothers, etc., etc., who produced the MobiTech blinds in the UK. And I have my friend Jordan with me today.
Hello.
You right?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Have you used MobiTech at all, or seen MobiTech in your area?
I think I might have seen it, but I haven't used it.
Alright, whereabouts do you see it? What bus operators are there in your local area, if you don't mind me asking?
Centre bus and Arriva.
Centre bus, what a coincidence. Yeah, see, I know him. Right, straight to the point. So today we're doing a little Mobi info edit tutorial, as I said, and this episode is dedicated to Neil Summers, who doesn't have a fuck how to use MobiTech. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do it, how to do different templates or whatever it is, I'll just create them, and scrolling and whatnot. So yeah, today we're going to create a not in service blind 1 line, we're going to have a 2 line not in service, we're going to do centre bus logo, we're going to do all sorts today. So I'm going to crack on with program number 2. Because we're doing a not in service, we don't really need to bound the route. So if we bounded it, say you see there's 1, 2, 3 on the top, that basically, when you open a new rotation, it says 1, 2, 3, which is actually kind of cool. So we're not going to bound it today, and it says 45. Why? So no, ignore the fact that it says 45 on there. We are going to put not in service, and to change it we are going to press template. That'll bring you a whole load of templates. Blah blah blah, your yellow's your route number, your dash your zone number, the little reddy browny thing, I don't use that. Your green's your main dest and your blue's your via, simple as. So we are going to we're going to change the template to start off with to that one, the green one. We're going to press yes, and we're going to put not in service. I don't like that font, so we're going to select it all by doing Control A, and we're going to press down, and hopefully we'll find a font like that one fits. We'll use that. Now that's not the font that I actually use, but it's just an example. I'm going to go back to the just destination for this one, and we're going to put not in service. Now you can see it sort of fits, but it sort of don't, because you see you've got a pixel on the left, but yet we're missing something. We're just going to press this, move selection 1 step left, and it all fits now. This bit I'm just going to leave it with, I don't know, it's not letting me do anything, so I'm just going to press dest. I'm going to put 0, 0, 0, because why not? And in here we're going to go back to our dest, and we're just going to put NIS. So that, guys, is how you create a 1 line simple destination. We're now going to do a logo, which is going to be centre bus, of course. Why 45? Ignore that. No, line number, desk number. Centre bus on here. This is the driver's message, guys, if you haven't already figured out. Front, side and rear. The bus we're using is a 16 by 114 one-line DDA. Now, I always use this template because there are some buses in the Luton fleet that have a 140 by 16, but yet there are some that use a 140 by 19. So instead of creating 2 databases, it's easier to create one because it fits on the bigger one anyway. So we're going to go to template. here. And don't forget, guys, do like, comment and subscribe. Also check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/onthesharesbuses. So we're going to use the centre bus font, which is Trebuchet 10S. What a font name. So we're going to press this little thing that says enter font dialog. And as you see, you can create all the fonts you want. You know, you can go down. Look at this. Look at that for a font. That looks similar to the, what's its face? The Super X font on Hanover. It kind of does, don't it?
Yeah.
But nonetheless, we're going to make our way. Look, this is like posh stuff here. These are all TTF files. So basically, if you have, say, a London Underground font, perhaps, which I do, you know, I'll find it somewhere. Bear with. P22. Ah, there it is. There we are. You can have the font of the London Underground if you really wanted to. We're going to find. There we are. Just press T. Transport. Look, you can have the same font as it's what the road signs use. Look, there we are.
Oh my god.
But now this is our font. I've chosen size 20 because I know size 20 fits. You press OK, and look, you've got yourself your own font. You can use Arial, you can use whatever you want. But nonetheless, we're going to go back to our usual one. We're going to put centre bus. That's if I spell it right. And in here, we're going to do dest, and we're going to put centre bus. Oh. It don't fit. Right, I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it back to Trebuchet MS. Basically, what you got to do is you got to scroll down near the bottom, roughly. Hopefully, find it. There we are. Size 20. That's the font you want. You want it bold. Hope for the best. There we are. But yeah, it still don't fit. So what I'm going to do is, you see display method. You're going to change it. So it says scrolling. Now it does this. We'll go into the. So actually, bear with me one moment. I'm going to put this to default setting. I'll show you what I mean by this thing. So I'm just going to change something quickly. Ignore this. Ignore exactly what I'm doing, because you can't see it anyway. So brilliant. Nope, it's not that. Yet Jordan can still see it. I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that. That was the default one, so I'm just going to leave that as that. Right. I'll have you back. There we are. Yep. So we're going to view this in the bus simulation. So we're going to press bus simulator. And look, it says centre bus. We're going to watch out for this back blind here. I'm going to start it. From what I know, this actually scrolls quite fast. I'm sure that loads of you have seen MobiTech scrolling, and you're thinking it scrolls way too fast compared to Hanover. So what we're going to do is we want to slow it down. By doing that, you want to go to your data and then display methods. It says scroll speed. You want to double click on there because scrolling text. Change it to 27. That's the slowest it gets. Now if we run the bus simulator now, we press start. It scrolls a bit slower. See, it's gonna be good because it scrolls slower, so more people will read it easier. Nonetheless, next we're going to do a one-line route number, and we are going to do, let's think. We are going to do the route. I'm going to do the X31. I'm going to have a fun play about, and this is going to be a sort of half fictional route, because you'll see on the two-line displays, this is where my mate wants it to run route through. So X31, I've bounded it, so when I open a new rotation, it's going to actually say, X31. So I could say have Milton Keynes. As I said, I'm just having a play here, guys. I'm going to use the auto fonts because I can't be asked to change them. I've opened a new thing, and I'm going to put via Dunstable. Well, actually, yeah. But wait, I'm going to have a look at this quickly. My mate obviously rerouted something. Sorry about that noise. Why would you want to route the X31 that way? Oh, that's going to Dunstable. Ah. Sorry. Bear with me. We're actually going to Dunstable, not Milton Keynes. Oh, that font don't fit properly. Now we're going to do a cheeky way. You press here, auto format current sign and rotation. Boom. And same here, Dunstable. Via Pointers Road, that don't fit. Boom. So here we're going to press Dunstable. That fits nicely. Via Pointers Road. Okay, don't fit. I'm going to show you a nice cheeky trick as well, guys. You can pause, rewind, do what you want. We're going to press auto format continuously. Now, I only like to use this if I'm desperate. It doesn't work properly with two lines, this displays, because I'll kind of show you afterwards. We're going to put via. As you can see, it's already auto configured. As you can see, a new font. It's very nice, isn't it? So that's your one-line desto done. We'll now do a two-line desto. That's yet going to be bounded to the X31. We're just going to put Dunstable again. I'm just going to make that a two-liner by pressing that. Dunstable. Two-line. It's not really going to be like proper. So we're going to press here. We're going to scroll down, find the one we want. We want the desk on the top. So we're going to have Dunstable. This will go via the L&D hospital. So say if we do this, we'll do it this way. Dunstable, square. Okay, that didn't work. Dunstable, town centre. As you can see, we'll auto select that font. It's a nice thin font. We're now going to do this because you know it might not fit properly. So we're going to put via L and D. See, if you look, the bottom line font is slightly thicker than the top line font. Now you can sort of understand what I mean by a not good font. So we're now going to just auto format that via L&D hospital. We're going to put yet again two-line via Pointers Road and as you can see, I still left it on. Now it's left a very thin font, but I'm just going to keep it there for now. I'm just going to put Dunstable there, because why not? I'll just put... There we are, it's left with me some thin fonts. That's done. Normally your default shift rotation is 3, but I've changed it to 5. I'll probably let you know near to the end. But lastly or not least, we're going to do a scrolling one. And yet again, we're going to do the X31 so we're going to do it to Luton this time, because why not? So two-line, Luton Town Centre, Luton Town Centre. We're going to go via Mountain Regis, Pointers Road, L&D Hospital, and Dallow Road. Don't know whether I've typed it all correctly, but hopefully we will know. I use this font, I use this font. Now I can check by Mountain Regis, Pointers Road, L&D Hospital, Points Road, LD Hospital, Dallow Road. No, I didn't. OAD, done. Now we're going to go back to the start. But as you can see, it's kind of messed up a little bit, so we'll just put it there to the bottom corner, so it fits nicely. Just going to put, well, say little town. Centre, hope for the best. But yeah, we're going to make that scrolling text. As you can see, if we put it in the bus simulator, it should work. If you want more tutorials like this, guys, don't forget to subscribe to us and like our Facebook page, facebook.com/onthesharesbuses. Apart from that, we'll go to our previous program we created. Okay, I've got to stop it for some reason. As you can see, every 5 seconds it will change from Dunstable to, well, via L&D Hospital to via Pointers Road and Houghton Regis. So that's it, guys. That's how you create many different displays and many different templates. But I've got a secret one for you. I'm going to do something weird. So X31 alternative display text. No, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do Dunstable. Then you'll like this one, Jordan.
Okay.
Dunstable. Can't spell that right. Then Keynes. That's right. We're going to do Dunstable here. Now I'm going to put this all the way to the left. I'm going to create a nice little font here. I'm going to go down to 7 by 5 even. I'm going to put then Keynes. Now we see this fits. We're going to hold control, and I'm going to literally move the arrow keys. Then as you can see, it fits nicely. And then we're going to just pop this one over there. So what do you make of that one then, Jordan?
Scout's Rising. Yeah, nice.
So it says Dunstable, then Keynes, which is basically Milton Keynes.
Yeah.
So guys, hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe as always. And today this has been a little tutorial on how to use Mobi Info Edit, dedicated to the one and only Neil Summers, who don't know how to use it. So I'm teaching you guys, hopefully you'll take on board how to use it, and hopefully you'll be better than what he is. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.